Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carmen. Welcome. The 222 portal is an energy portal that opens up every single February 22nd. And what it is it's basically an energy portal that helps you to shift onto a timeline in which you have more balance, in which you have more love, more peace, and more harmony in your life. And these are all things that everybody needs, right? And I'm gonna give you an activation in this video to help you to intensify and activate this portal even more. This portal will open up 1 week before February 22nd, and it will remain open 1 week after February 22nd as well. Whenever we see these repeating numbers on calendar days, they always represent energetic portals that we can use to switch on to timelines in which we have those things, right? These are timelines that quantum physics has proven already exist. We are just not on them because our frequency and our vibration is on a different level. But these portals help you to just shift onto these timelines that already exist. And in that way, they help you to manifest these things. So these are things that you already have manifested. You just are not seeing them because they are on a different timeline. Similar to like when you watch television and you can only watch one channel at a time. Just because you can't see the other channels doesn't mean they're not there. 2 in numerology is the number of partnership. It's also the number of peace and balance. So these are the things that people usually use the 222 portal for. A lot of people use the 222 portal to manifest love, to bring in a soulmate, a long-term relationship that's good for them and very balanced and loving. Other people use it to make their current relationship that they're already in a lot much healthier and stronger, much more better. Other people use it to bring in more peace and balance into their life. Some people use it to bring peace onto the planet, right? There's a lot of negativity in the world right now, and you can definitely use this portal to bring more peace and balance into your life personally, as well as for the whole entire planet. So you can choose how you want to use this energy, but it's going to be very, very strong this year in 2025. This year, this portal is very, very strong because if you add up all the numbers together in February 22nd, 2025, you get a 6. And 6 in numerology is another number for love and balance and healing. If you really want to bring in love this year, either self-love or love with another person, this is going to be a very powerful portal for you to do that. But not only that, it's not just your typical 6, it's a master 33-6. 33-6 is the master healer in numerology. So if there's something you want to heal, something that you have been trying to heal, this is going to be a very intense, strong portal for you to do that. And it's also going to be great for bringing in balance too, because 6 is a very balanced energy as well, similar to number 2. Okay, 6 is ruled by the planet Venus. And remember, 33 is a master number, and the master numbers are more intense. So this is going to be a very powerful portal for you to manifest love, to manifest balance, to heal yourself on all different levels. And really you can use this portal to bring in anything that will make your life more peaceful and more balanced. But don't worry if you happen to miss this portal on February 22nd. The portal actually opens up 1 week before February 22nd, and it will remain 1 week open February 22nd as well. So if you happen to miss this on 222, don't worry, you will still be able to use this activation and benefit from it. The energies start to fade as we move further away from 222, but you will still be able to use this activation for a week after. So I'm going to give you an activation for this portal right now, and this activation is going to help you to intensify the power of this 222 portal this year. But even just being aware of this day, you've already shifted onto a more positive timeline, okay? The activation is just going to help to amplify it and intensify the energy of this energy portal. And so what I want you to do first is I want you to set the intention first. We always set the intention, tell the universe why we are doing what we're doing, because the universe is more likely to support us because it clearly sees what we are doing and why we are doing it. So tell the universe why you're using this portal day and this meditation. And the next thing I want you to do is find a place to rest your head. Find a place that is nice and quiet. And I want you to take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel the air going inside of your lungs and out. Now I want you to close your eyes and I want you to imagine yourself in a field, standing in a field. You can imagine yourself in any sort of beautiful environment, a beach, a field of flowers, but I want you to imagine that you are standing there, feeling the wind blowing on you, breathing in and out. And now I want you to imagine that you're standing there, but you're not alone. There's something else that is right next to you. If you're trying to manifest love, then it's a person, it's that person standing next to you. If you're using this portal to bring in a material object, such as money or something else to bring more balance, then imagine that that is what is there in that field, standing next to you. And you're not alone. You can't touch it, you can't feel it, but you can sense its presence. And the two of you are standing in that field, and there's nothing else. It's just you and that person or that object. Just the two of you. And now I want you to imagine a beautiful pink light from within your heart. Imagine this beautiful pink light starting to grow, and it's starting to become bigger and bigger. This beautiful pink light is growing and growing, and it's becoming warmer, and now it's warming up your body and warming you up even more. You might have felt cold before, but now your body is warming because this beautiful pink light inside of your heart is growing, and it's warming your whole entire body, and it's spreading everywhere, all over you, this beautiful pink light. And it's so strong, it's starting to move out from your heart, and now it's moving quickly. And it's moving in the direction of that person standing next to you. This beautiful pink light, it's headed for that person or that object, that thing that you are trying to manifest. It's so powerful that it's now beyond you, and it's moving towards that other thing because it's so powerful. And now it's pulling in that other thing, that person, that thing that you are desiring. It's pulling it in, it's so strong. And it's connecting the two of you together. That beautiful, powerful pink light. Not only has it surrounded you, but it's now surrounded that person or that thing. And it's hitting them all over on all sides, enveloping them, this beautiful pink light. And now it's enveloped both of you, and you're connected to that thing, that person, through this beautiful pink light. And you're feeling their energy, and now it's connecting you to their heart. Imagine that, this beautiful pink light going straight from your heart into their heart. straight between the two of you, connecting the two of you. Feel how powerful that is. It's bringing them into your energetic aura. It's connecting the two of you on an energetic level. And feel how powerful that is. Now I want you to imagine that this beautiful pink light, it's changing colors. That's right. It's turning from pink now into green. Beautiful emerald green. Spreading green everywhere. That green light is now moving from your heart into that person's heart and connecting you two. Imagine that, a beautiful band of energy, and now it's beautiful emerald green, and it's surrounding the two of you together. And now your energetic auras are combining because of this beautiful green light. They're combining together. Imagine that. Their energy is combining with yours as this beautiful green light surrounds the both of you. And so now your energetic aura has combined with theirs. And you're not separate anymore. And you have balanced each other out. And feel how positive that feels. Feel how it will feel going forward now. Going forward, it will be different now. There won't be separation. There will be partnership with you and that person or that thing. As your energetic auras have now merged together. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. And now I want you to open your eyes. Open your eyes and know that by doing this meditation, you have shifted instantly on to a better timeline in which you have those things. Whatever it was that you were trying to manifest, you have shifted on to that timeline. Just by setting the intention, you already instantly shifted onto that timeline. But this meditation will just help to accelerate it and make it more powerful. So congratulations to you. You did a good job. Now you have to trust that it has happened and you have shifted timelines. You might not see the evidence of this right away. It might take a little bit of time to see the evidence that you have shifted, but just trust and know that you have. And your trust is the most important thing. And so I hope that you enjoyed this meditation today. Leave a comment below. Comment 222 to claim this energy and this 222 portal. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with other people. It really helps to get this information out there and help a lot of people when you do that. If you want to get an energy healing session that combines the power of divine codes and numerology with energy healing, you can head on over to my website, StarsAlignWithCarmen.com, and I would love to have you subscribe and to become part of the family. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.